Welcome to Smart Teaching. State, capital, language. Andhra Pradesh, capital Amaravati, language Telugu. Arunachal Pradesh, capital Itanagar, language English. Assam, capital Dispur, language Assami. Bihar, capital Patna, language Hindi. Chhattisgarh, capital Raipur, language Hindi. Goa, capital Panaji, language Konkani. Gujarat, capital Gandhinagar, language Gujarati. Haryana, capital Chandigarh, language Hindi. Himachal Pradesh, capital Shimla, language Hindi. Jharkhand, capital Ranchi, language Hindi. Karnataka, capital Bengaluru, language Kannada. Kerala, capital Tirunantapuram, language Malayalam. Madhya Pradesh, capital Bhopal, language Hindi. Maharashtra, capital Mumbai, language Marathi. Manipur, capital Impal, language Meitei. Meghalaya, capital Shillong, language Khasi, English. Mizoram, capital Aizawl, language Mizo, English. Nagaland, capital Kohima, language English. Odisha, capital Bhubaneswar, language Odia. Punjab, capital Chandigarh, language Punjabi. Rajasthan, capital Jaipur, language Hindi. Sikkim, capital Gangtok, language Nepali, English. Tamil Nadu, capital Chennai, language Tamil. Telangana, capital Hyderabad, language Telugu. Tripura, capital Agartala, language Bengali. Uttar Pradesh, capital Lucknow, language Hindi. Uttarakhand, capital Dehradun, language Hindi. West Bengal, capital Kolkata, language Bengali. For more videos, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like it and share to your friends and family members. Thanks for watching.